Being on camera is definitely not where I'm comfortable. But I've told myself that the effort that I put into building Spurs is where I need to be putting in as far as sharing the stories of Slingin Shanks. I'm Travis Finley, the owner and founder of Slingin Shanks. And this is the spur that built Slingin Shanks. This is one half of the third pair of spurs I ever built. There's some things about this pair of spurs that are kind of unique in its own way. To start with, the strap buttons that we have here, they're actually carriage head bolts that I got out of a bolt bin at Lowe's. The wire buttons, they're nail heads that are welded on. The half circles that the carriage bolts are welded to, funny thing about them is they're actually two thin washers welded together and cut in half. I'm not even sure that I could execute that successfully today. The last thing I want to point out is the shanks. The actual shanks on these are actually double-aught horseshoes. For no other reason than I looked at horseshoes and thought that has the teardrop I'm looking for. So I welded two halves together and then welded in and filled in the nail hole slots. Looking back at this pair, I look at them and almost cringe at how horrible they look compared to what we're producing today. I laugh at it, at all the struggles, and I didn't know then that we was building a company. There's times today that I don't know that we're building a company. We laugh and joke about this pair now and think of the things that we would change, think of the things that we can improve, and every day we're striving to be better spur builders, to be a better company, and to help people make successful rides everywhere. This is the spur that built Slingin Shanks. And if you go to any rodeos across the United States, Canada, or Australia, you'll see the people that also put their hand in building Slingin Shanks.